Scene pan nga pedang sobhai phi ki khinna sha kane ke Hindi online class ka kerteng janga kadai miss shirup lang shalla baraka class ka bamenta ngan hikai phi ki khinna shaphang ka a ki matra u a vowels a but u a matra a ki matra kakentin ka baningkong kadai a ma am a ma am hang ne phinyo i be ya u vowels a la ne uta u swar a ma am nang ta am ka bamut u so ping la ni in English we call it mango am nang ta up a g up kabamut kading in English which means fire nang ta kakentin kababut kadai ka a ma hakane ka kentin kabamenta phinyo i ya u a matra ka a ma kam kabamut kakam and in English which means work kakentin kababut kadai ga a la gal ga matra a la gal kabamut kangap lani in English which we called cheeks kakentin kababut kadai ha a matra tha hath hath kabamut kakti in English we call it hand kakentin kababut kadai na a ma nam nam kabamut kakerteng in English we say name the a dada dada kabamut ipa it and in English which means grandfather kakentin kababut kadai ga a na a Ghana Ghana kabamut kajingruai in English it is song kakentin kababut kadai ma a mama mama kabamut mama in English uncle kakentin kababut kadai ra a raja raja kabamut usim in English we call a king Te hakakentien kababut hang ni pin hab ban jubab hi mapi ya ka e kabangin ya ka e kabangan puli manganang ni. Ga a ja ra. Ka e kaban mi hakani. Kakentien ayu ladangi penyaso ya kini kidak haju baro ngin keno ya ka kumno. Ngan syu ai ka example lani ka nuksa hang ni ngan ai ga a ja ra gajar. Pinhak banto himapi haka kentien kanwan kumno. Ka kentien ka babut haka ni pinhak ban lehi. Ba a la ka. Ka jing keno pinhak ban keno himapi bat pisa tho ya katu ka jing keno jong pi hang tu. And to all those students who don't understand Khasi, these are some works which you will have to do. Example, the first one is ga, a, ja, ra. I'll give you the answer here, but for the second and the next you will do on your own. Ga, a, ja, ra, gajar. The second one is ba, a, la, ka. So whatever the pronunciation or the results which will come here, you will have to do on your own. Kakentien ka babut kadai ba a da la. The next one sa a ga ra. Nang tapat kakentien ka babut kadai a va a sa. Kaniru kandai hikum jo finha ban le kum ka homework ya pi. This is also a part of your homework or your assignment. You will have to do it. A, va, a, sa. The next, ga, ma, la, a. Nangta, ja, ha, a, ja. Nangta, pa, a, tha, sha, a, la, a. Nangta da ra va a ja a. Te ki kentien ke ba phi pen mi ha din da pila dep le ya kini ki assignment jong phi phin sa tho ya ka answer baro hadin jong ni equal. So all of you will have to do these home assignment and you will practice how will the words which we will be joining here like this, you will have to write the answer of it. Te tangkat ni hagani ka kelas ka benta ban nginya beteng pat bat phi na ka benta ki wei pat ki kelas. Khublai shibon.